Hi, good morning to all. I'm Suje from SNS College of Engineering, working as an assistant professor in AI-based department. And today we are going to see about variables. A variable allows us to store a value by assigning it a name, which can be used later. And named memory locations to store values. So programmers generally choose name for their variables that are meaningful. It can be of any length, no spaces allowed. We don't need to declare a variable before using it. In Python, we simply assign a value to a variable and it will exist. Assigning value to variable. Value should be given on the right side of the assignment operator, that is equal to, and variable on left side, which is counter equal to 45. Variable on left side and value on right side. So, for two or more variable, we can assign a single value. That is one type. And the other type is for each and every variable, value will be different. So next is the keyword. Keyword is a reserved word in Python. We cannot use the keyword as a variable name, a function name, or any other identifier. They are used to define the syntax and structure of the Python language. Keywords are case sensitive. Example, let me say one or two keywords: false, true, break, pass, continue, elif, else, if, import. All these are keywords. Next is the identifier. Identifier is the name given to entities like class, functions, variables, etc. in Python. Identifier can be a combination of letters in lowercase a to z, small a to z, uppercase capital A to Z, or digits 0 to 9, or an underscore. All are valid examples. An identifier cannot start with a digit. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Cannot use special symbols like exclamatory, at, hash, dollar, percentage in our identifier. Identifier can be of any length. Example, names like my class, variable underscore 1, and this underscore is underscore a underscore long underscore variable. These all are can be identifiers, which are unique. The next is statement and expression. Statements. Instruction that a Python interpreter can execute or call statements. A statement is a unit of code like creating variable or displaying a value. N equal to 17. Print n. Here the first line is an assignment statement that gives a value to n. The second line is a print statement that displays the value of n. So each and every line is a statement here. And expression. Now the expression is a combination of values, variables, and operators. A value all by itself is considered an expression and also a variable. So the following are all legal expressions. Here, the 42 is an expression, a equal to 2 is an expression, a plus 3 plus 2 is an expression, is it equal to hi plus friend is an expression, print z is an expression. So the above things are expression here. Next is the input and output. Input is a data entered by user in the program. In Python, input function is available for input. Syntax for input is variable equal to input of data. Example, x equal to input. Enter the name. Enter the name George. Y equal to int input of enter the number. Enter the number will be displayed in the output side. So here the Python accepts string as default data type. Conversion is required for type. Okay, now the next is the output. Output can be displayed to the user using print statement. Syntax print, expression, or constant or variable. Example, print hello. This will be printed. Next is the command. A hash sign is the beginning of the command. Anything written after hash in a line ignored by the interpreter. So it will be taken as an instruction for the program. Next is the lines and indentation. Most of the programming language like C, C++, Java uses braces, curly braces to define a block of code, but Python uses indentation. Blocks of code are denoted by line indentation. If there is a single indentation mistake, then the code will execute different results for our programs. So it is a space given to the block of codes for class and function definitions or flow control. Example, A equal to 3, B equal to 1. If A greater than B, print A is greater, else print B is greater. For a simple program also, indentation should be exact. Next is the quotation in Python. Python accepts single, double, and triple quote to denote string letters. So, the 3 quotations are used in Python. Next is the tuple assignment. An assignment to all the element in a tuple using a single assignment statement. Python has a very powerful tuple assignment feature that allows a tuple of variable on the left of an assignment to be assigned values from the tuple on the right of the assignment. The left side is a tuple of variable, the right side is a tuple of values. Each value is assigned to its respective variable. All the expression on the right side are evaluated before any of the assignment. This feature makes tuple assignment quite versatile. Naturally, the number of variables on the left and the number of variables on the right have to be the same. A, B, C, D equal to 1, 2, 3. Here, one value is missing, so the value error will be occurring. Okay, let us see the next topics on the next class. Thank you.